First on our list is the kakapo, also known as the owl parrot. Native to New Zealand, this critically endangered bird is nocturnal and can't fly. There are only about 250 kakapos left in the wild. AI helped researchers monitor kakapo populations using sound analysis of their unique calls. Next, we have the shoebill stork, a bird with a prehistoric vibe. Found in East Africa, this bird is famous for its giant shoe-shaped bill. AI drone technology has been instrumental in locating shoebills in dense swamps, helping conservationists protect their habitat. The Philippine eagle, also known as the monkey-eating eagle, is one of the largest and rarest eagles in the world. Found only in the Philippines, fewer than 400 of these majestic birds remain. AI-powered camera traps have captured rare footage of this species, helping scientists study their behavior. Fourth is the ribbon-tailed astropia, a bird of paradise known for its stunning tail feathers. Found in the highlands of Papua New Guinea, this bird's elegance is unmatched. AI helps researchers identify these birds through pattern recognition of their dazzling plumage. Finally, we have the Himalayan monal, the national bird of Nepal. Its iridescent feathers make it one of the most colorful birds on the planet. AI tools have been used to map its population across the rugged Himalayan terrain, ensuring its survival for generations to come. These rare birds remind us of the beauty and fragility of nature. Thanks to AI, we can discover and protect such amazing species. If you enjoyed this journey, hit the like button, subscribe the channel.